concerned ministry also. I have already
Menteri ke sorkar jylla khami ikutnat community and rural development eti mandal haka khatlai tarik jemang ong ula pha ya ke jing tuklar lem jong katnat ke sorkar Pdeng halor ke jing ki bami na ke jing pyntrei kam ya ke skhim Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme MGNREGS habakren shekilat pathai khubor mandal ong ngaladep ban pha ka wei ke shithi ke bapen pau halor baro kini ki jing ngi kermen skhim bahat din ke election on sala banweng no yakine ki jing baro da ka bapen pau ba ki jing trekam ki baya dei bat ka rukom siu ka dei ka wei na kine ki jing ka bakrau ong kane kala penmi ya shibun ki jing na ka benta jongi namar ki babun ki badan ya ki job card kim sham la pen ya so ki job card jongki baru adhar menta ka sorkar India kala pen longkum ka benta ka badai banle bat ka bakongsan babaro ki badan job card ki dei ban pen ya so baru adhar ngi kerpat ya menteri rangba ba untho sya menteri badai khmi bat ula dep ban tho da ka shithi bat dang shen ngala tho biang shau kani kadi ka wei na ki jing ka bangi hab ban pe bnya bat ban le tat hadu babaro ki badan job card kin penya so bat u adhar ula benram halor kamat ka bayade bat ka pisa bai tiar bai tar mandal ong ngiju pelait ya ka bahak jongi hapok kapor balabu Henry ka syongkumno baya ka pisa la pelait na po Delhi menta ka kenti ka election ka layak la arbanai kumta ka long ka basyam shitom ban penlong ya ka jing kren bat ki he hapok Delhi
we are writing to the concerned ministry also. I have already shot up one letter highlighting all those problems and all these things. Hopefully after the election is over all these issues will be resolved.
How much is pending?
And exact figure is not with me, and I was out of station for about a long time. I was in constituency also, did not go anywhere. Fully and wholly was in constituency.
How many years pending?
That's what I am telling, that latest position is not there. One big problem we are facing is that other based payment system. This is creating a lot of problem for us because many of the job card holders have not linked their job card with Aadhaar. So now Government of India has made it mandatory to have all job cards to be linked with Aadhaar. So this is a lot of problems. We requested our Honorable Chief Minister to write to concerned minister. He has already written, and very recently I have again written to him. This is one challenging factor we got to see till all the job cards are being linked to Aadhaar card. Yeah, material component forms, whichever is our share, we used to release time to time, but it depends on how the money is being released from Delhi. And this time, see, election is running for around 2 months now. So it's very difficult to coordinate in Delhi also. So let us see the model code of conduct be over.
Much before election, this issue was raised.
That issue was there, but we flagged off all these issues because once the money, major portion of money is coming from Delhi. So unless that is released, we cannot do
Or
anything.
is it that they wanted to do away with this? There was some thinking.
I don't know. I don't have idea as of now.